already the pressure by the buyer side decrease. That's why this pressure will come from sell side and it will reverse the market. So this is the uptrend market situation, uptrend pressure. Same thing, same logic, just when market start from above here and it came to this area, same situation here, market create this situation, this type of candlestick, this type from the support level, okay, with high volume. This is now pressure by the buy side already decrease. So when the pressure already decrease, if we see any range, that means it's not a long range, it may double bottom pattern also, or it may triple bottom pattern also, it may any type of chart pattern, and then market again started to going up. So this pressure converted sell side to buy side. Okay, this candlestick, red candlestick, not a green candle, red one, red one. Okay, so this pressure already decreased, the selling pressure, total market pressure by the sell side already decreased. And so when market create double bottom pattern or any other short pattern or any others range, it may long range and range. So when we see after creating any chart pattern, created a momentum type situation, that time we have to think that yes, previously total market pressure was sell side, but already the pressure converted to buy side. So we can go with the buyers. So there are so many logic. So we can take confirmation from climax, and we can take confirmation from the waves, how many waves, how much waves market already created, and we can take confirmation from the buyers area, we can take confirmation from the sellers area from in this case, and in this case from the buyers area, then chart pattern, then again climax in candle here, and climax start candle by the buyer side, then pressure again converted to sell side to buy side. So we can go with the buyer. So I'm going to the chart, then it will more clear. Okay. Okay. So if we observe in this case, basically market started from this area here. Market created this situation first. This is head and shoulder pattern. After that, market started to falling down. Okay. So what happened here? Suddenly, this candlestick created in the market, and what I was talking about. So if we see market suddenly started to going up by a strong candlestick, we have to wait for another candlestick. So when we are waiting for another candlestick, so this is the rejection, upper rejection. So what's the meaning of this rejection? So when this rejection in this candlestick, definitely this pressure came from the sell side. There is lower rejection also, but this rejection is very high rejection, higher rejection than this one. So this pressure by the sell side, that's why sellers again enter in the market and it again start falling down. So market again trying to go up and again falling down. So if we analyze this market, we have to start from here, high, lower high, lower high. That means it's a downtrend market situation. So now this pressure to the sell side, and when market create one candlestick, again market falling down, very weak candlestick falling down, it's trying to make a ranging type situation. It may happen, but if we see again the resistance level breakout happen, so it will again continue to the same direction, downward direction. Now this is the candlestick, very strong. This is the climax candle. First of all, this was the climax candle because this candlestick volume is high. Okay, So when we see this type of candlestick after this type of waves, so now this is one of our confirmation that possibility here to make a ranging type situation and breakout happen and market go up. It's our possibility, but we have to wait for a range. So what happened? It didn't give us any range. So it breakout happened suddenly and market again started to falling down. Okay, it's okay. So now again pull back. Again market started to falling down. So when it failed here, so we have to think that market may change its direction from any nearest support area, nearest buyer's entry point area. Just we have to say this area, if it's a minor level, so after pullback, again breakout happen by this type of candlestick, this support breakout happen, market will continue. But when first time it create this type of candlestick created here, so and market again falling down, again pullback, again fall. So we have to just wait when market create a range, because if market give us range, from that range more possibility market change its direction, because already failed here and it first of all it failed here, then again it's a momentum, then pull back, again momentum. So if we see market exactly stop here and started to going up from here, more possibility if this, that means if this support break not breakout happen, that means market when came here again started to going up and this neckline breakout happen, that time more possibility market will go up from here. But if we see breakout happen, then we have to think what is our next level. From that level, if we see any range, so more possibility market may reverse from here, because market started from here, slowly the pressure become decrease. So if we observe in this area, what happened? Most of the candlesticks are very weak candlestick by the sell side, and this rejection sell side, sell side, sell side. So weak candlestick, weak, most of the candlestick weak candlestick, only two candlestick a little large candlestick, but most of the candlesticks are weak candlesticks. So when market create double bottom pattern here and neckline breakout happen within one candlestick after retest that level momentum, that means the pressure converted from here, and previously it was the pressure was to the sell side, and after creating this type of situation, now the pressure converted here to upside, again weak by the seller side, again go up, again create this type of movement. So from this area to this area, so market all created high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, but here it failed to create lower high. It create a basement and market started to going up again. So this is the area from where market changes direction and pressure decrease here and another buying pressure increase from here. So when market create this type of candlestick and this size volume, it's a climax by the buy side and market will go up. So this is the pressure reading of candle and pressure reading of total market. So try to practice on it. This is all about today's session. Thanks for joining today's session. Now I'm going to close today's session.